Hey guys, it's me. Today we're going to look at how does blockchain technology work. So stay tuned. So what is blockchain? To answer this question, let's break down the word blockchain into two separate parts. Block and chain. A block in the most general sense refers to a collection of data that is grouped together. Think about a spreadsheet on your computer or an Excel file. It's a bunch of rows and columns of data grouped together for convenient storage and use. The chain part implies a sequence or a series of blocks linked together. Think about a chain of events or a chain of command in the military where one person reports to another and so on. When you combine these two words, blockchain, you get a series of blocks of data that are linked together in a particular order. In the specific context of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, a block is a collection of transaction data grouped together and given a unique identification code. For example, suppose I send $10 to my friend. My friend sends $20 to his brother, and his brother sends $15 to his sister. These three transactions can be grouped together into a block along with some other transaction data such as the time, date, and the amount of coins in circulation. Once a block has been filled with transaction data, it is then linked to the previous block in the chain, hence the term blockchain. This linkage is done using cryptography, which is a fancy way of saying it uses complex math problems that are extremely difficult to solve. This cryptographic linkage ensures that the blocks cannot be reordered and each block contains a unique hash of the previous block, ensuring the integrity and immutability of the blockchain. There are typically 3 copies of the blockchain maintained by different users of the network. The most important property of a blockchain is that once a block is added to it, it cannot be removed. This immutability makes it possible to create a permanent and tamper-proof record of transactions. In addition, the decentralized nature of the blockchain means that multiple participants can view the transaction history, but no single entity has control over the entire network. This makes it possible to create a transparent and auditable system that can help build trust between participants. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. When a Bitcoin transaction occurs, the details are broadcast to the network. The network then groups these transactions together with other pending transactions into a block. Once a block is filled, it is validated by the network and added to the existing blockchain. Each block is linked to the previous block using cryptography. This process of validating and adding blocks to the blockchain is known as mining. Miners are the ones who perform the critical function of validating and adding new blocks to the blockchain. They do this by solving complex mathematical problems. When a miner successfully solves the math problem, they are rewarded with some amount of crypto. In summary, blockchain technology is a way of storing and sharing data that provides several advantages over traditional methods. Its key features include immutability, decentralization, and transparency. These features make it possible to create a permanent and tamper-proof record of transactions that can help build trust between participants. While blockchain technology was initially developed for use with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, it has a wide range of potential applications beyond finance. For example, blockchain could be used to create a more secure and efficient supply chain, or to provide a platform for decentralized applications. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.